everybody, this is Christine with Cocoa Daisy, and I am sharing with you an unboxing of the planner add-on kit that is part of our July Wisteria Lane collection. And this is the planner add-on kit. This kit is designed to, obviously it coordinates with all of our other product in the collection, but this is designed to be, you know, if you don't necessarily use our inserts, or if you have your own sort of setup that you like to use, this is a fun way to add a little something to your setup that has that artwork, that has kind of some fun little extras. There's always some washi tape in here. There's some stickers. There's some fun die cuts. And then we always have a couple little surprises in here as well. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you all of these great goodies. So this month is all about the beautiful florals of the wisteria. We have some lavender in here. We have some cornflower in here, some blue cornflower. And then we threw in a few lemons here and there, just to kind of break up that color and add that beautiful punch of yellow. So I'm going to start from the top here. This is the washi tape. I'm going to show you the one that I have open though. And it's this fun plaid of all the different purples. There's a deep purple all the way on up to a pale purple in there. So it's a pretty plaid. And then we have this fun little lemon embroidery clip. Look at the detail on that. Isn't that pretty? I'm always amazed at the detail that they put into those. And it's a nice size. It's not real big. It's a little smaller, so you can just tuck it in your planner in a pocket. And then our beautiful dangle charms. We started doing these, I think the first one was back in March. And these are just filled with beads. They're so pretty. I don't know if you can kind of see. I want to get the sun on it. It's a little cloudy here today though. But look at all those beautiful colors. And there's so many beads on there. So that you could hang from, if you have like a traveler's notebook type of cover. I hang it from the bottom rung of my my A5 planner that has rings. I hang it from the bottom ring. Isn't that pretty? You could even hang it from the zipper on the pouch if you wanted to. That is, and I'm going to show you the die cuts. Now our die cuts are all stickers, unless I mention otherwise, which means, so they're a thicker weight. They're like a cardstock weight, but you can peel up the backing. So it's a sticker. So it makes them super easy to use. So I'm going to put that aside and I'm going to show these to you. So we have some fun little sayings with the artwork. There's one that says agenda. We have some of the pretty florals. These would be fun as little headers or little reminder boxes. There's one that says summer vacation. Cannot wait. I got one more day. And then there's a couple more small tabs. And then this one says note on it. There's some pretty florals in here. Here's the wisteria and the little lavender bunch. And then this one says today's breakdown. So that would be nice on a calendar page. Get done ASAP. To do. And then again, we have a few more little floral pieces, little wisteria blossoms. And this is one we always have. We always do the little weekend banner. I think that's fun. And then this one, if you're wondering what this is, it's not a bow tie. So what this is designed for is to be a paperclip flag. So if you have a little paperclip, actually I'm going to grab my, this is my June one, but I'm just going to ignore the little dangle charm on there and I'll show you what you do. So you would take the backing off of that and you would slide it through and then you would stick it together and you end up with a cute little page flag. So that's what that's meant for. Obviously you don't have to use it that way. You can use it as a bow tie if you want to, or a bow. Then we have a couple little more tabs. This is to do and plans. And then we have some fun little arrows. I love the arrows. Always nice to highlight something so you don't forget it. Cute little slice of lemon. And then kind of an arrow feature there with the purples. So those are the die cuts. And this we brought back. We did a larger notepad like this in May, and it was so popular we brought it back for July. So this one says checklist, and it has the to-do list 1 through 10. You can check it off on the side, and then it's got a little notes section on the bottom. So that is a larger. If you look at, let me grab one of my regular size notepads so you can see the difference. So this is a regular size notepad. This one's from March, but you can see the difference in size. It's quite a bit bigger. So if you've got a bunch of stuff to write out, that's a nice thing to have. And then we'll go to the stickers and the fun note cards. So we have these every month. We have 3 3x4 note cards, and this one says, "A life without dreams is like a garden without flowers." And it's got that beautiful wisteria artwork. And then we always do a color swatch one. And this is fun to use. You can just tuck it in your planner. But the other thing I turn these sometimes into tags for my planner. A lot of people use this as a swatch to help them figure out color, like stamping colors or pen colors or marker ink that matches. So it's a fun little swatch card to use. And then take the time to close your eyes and breathe. Isn't that beautiful? And then we have one 4x6 card. And this one we have the lemons on. Shine so bright that they can't run from the warmth of your glow. So that's a 4x6. And then we have this fun little sticker sheet, and it's got the little shipping, it's got the little reveal one, and then there's a few other little headers. They're reminder stickers that you can use. And then we have some pretty decorative, with a few little calls to action there, weekend plans, daily agenda this week. And then there's a few little hearts in there. And then we have the days of the week, and then the little flags like that you can use for checklists. And then we have the small little square alpha. And I love to use these on my daily pages if there's something that I want to highlight or kind of emphasize. I will write it out or create a little header with those, and then some more date stickers on there, and a few little icons as well. So those are the stickers and the note cards. And then we have this sheet of alpha stickers. So we had so many of you ask us to once in a while, please put some more alpha stickers in the planner kits as opposed to always just in the memory keeping kits. So we did this beautiful yellow, and I'm going to kind of peel one up so you can see the font because it's kind of hard to see on here. So let me pull up a C for Cocoa Daisy so you can kind of see the size and the font style. And it's just a nice, simple font. You can use it with everything. And I love using alphas in my planner, creating headers, adding little notations on the calendar. So we added that this month. So that is this month's planner add-on kit. So you get all of that, including that beautiful dangle charm, and that one, and that, and the die cuts. So that is the planner add-on kit.